Let's take a look at the large resin printer known as the Phrozen Transform. This is Features and Facts brought to you by Ultimate 3D Printing Store. Phrozen has come out with a line of different resin printers, but the Phrozen Transform is absolutely unmatched in size and print volume. Still equipped with the latest features such as Wi-Fi and more, the Phrozen Transform has a lot to offer. Not only does it have a lot of features, but it's very reliable. The Phrozen Transform has a high precision and strength Z-axis, which can move your prints up and down throughout the resin, giving it extreme quality. The Phrozen Transform also has many features which simplify the process of printing and just making it easier for the user in general. This large-scale LED screen projects layer by layer, which solidifies the resin onto the build plate, making it a simple and easy user experience. Imagine all the possibilities you can do with the print volume so large in resin. Whether it's for hobby use, prototyping, architecture, or any other field really, the Phrozen Transform has a large print volume, 11.4 by 6.29 by 15.7 inches, which can print what you need with high precision. With low sound, the Phrozen Transform can print all day long with consistency. And with less mess ups, that's basically putting more resin back into the bottle, saving you time and money. The Phrozen Transform can definitely print a wide range of things, from masks all the way to figures, and whether you're printing one of these or 16, it'll take the exact same amount of time because height is the only factor which affects time. This is Ultimate 3D Printing Store from www.ultimate3dprintingstore.com with Phrozen printers, accessories, and more.